Hey everyone, this is filler 6 for the KitchenAid mixer and more. Spots 1, 10, and 20 each get a spot on the main. 30 at $1.80. Copy the list. Go live. 6:52. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 6:52. A 3, that won't work. And we have an 8. 6:52. 30 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, we still have 30 items on the list. Wendy Craft is on the top and on the bottom. Randomized 7 times. The dice call for an 8. 6:52. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spots 1, 10, and 20 each get a spot on the main. That's Miss Maggie Wally, Miss Bethlyn Kane, and Miss Sue Williams. Congrats, winners. 30 items on the list. 8 times. The dice call for an 8. Your verified code. And we are done at 6:53. Thanks, everyone.